Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Member for raising this important question. Mr. Speaker, sir, HIV-related content is explicitly taught in 7 curriculum areas. In Year 7, Healthy Living, under the strand Growth, Development, and the sub-strand Family Health. Students are taught the causes of HIV and AIDS, the methods of prevention, and the importance of making healthy and responsible lifestyle choices. The curriculum also promotes abstinence, responsible relationship, and awareness of risk factors associated with HIV transmission. HIV awareness is further incorporated in Year 7 Basic Science under the strand Living Things and the Environment, and the sub-strand Structure and Life Processes, where students learn about diseases, including sexually transmitted infections and their impact on human health. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the secondary school level, Year 11 Biology addresses HIV through the strand Structure and Life Processes and the sub-strand Structure and Functions in Animals. Students investigate disorders and diseases relating to the reproductive system, including sexually transmitted infections such as HIV. This enables learners to understand the biological impact of HIV and its relationship to reproductive health. HIV education is further strengthened in Year 13 Biology under Strand 3, Biodiversity, Change, and Sustainability, specifically within the sub-strand viruses. And through this topic, Mr. Speaker, students learn about the structure and characteristics of viruses and gain a deep understanding of HIV as a retrovirus. Students are introduced to the unique nature of retroviruses and how their ability to integrate genetic material into host cells present significant challenges for the development of a premature cure. This scientific knowledge enhances students' understanding of the complexity of HIV and the importance of prevention and public health awareness. Mr. Speaker, sir, HIV education is further strengthened in Year 12 and Year 13 through family life education. Under the strand Family Health, students examine sexually transmitted disease, common STIs in Fiji, and the current overview of the HIV epidemic in Fiji. Students are also exposed to information on HIV alongside other infections such as hepatitis B, syphilis, gonorrhea, and human papillomavirus, HPV. Mr. Speaker, sir, awareness is also integrated into the English and other language curriculum through reading, writing, comprehension, and research-based learning activities. HIV-related themes are incorporated within textbook units, expository essay writing, summary writing, comprehension passages, and research projects. At the secondary level, Mr. Speaker, sir, English curriculum units covering topics such as provident living, society, understanding youth culture, gender equality, human rights, and quality education provides opportunities for HIV awareness and discussion. Research themes relating to youth behavior, communication, and learning also accommodate HIV-related concepts and contemporary health issues. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry's approach ensures that students encounter HIV education progressively throughout their schooling years, beginning with basic health awareness and prevention. Students subsequently develop a deeper scientific understanding of disease transmission, reproductive health, viruses, and broader social issues associated with HIV. Through these curriculum provisions, Mr. Speaker, the Ministry aims to equip students with accurate and evidence-based information, encourage responsible decision-making, promote healthy lifestyles, reduce stigma and discrimination, and support national efforts to address HIV and other sexually transmitted infections. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Education remains committed to ensuring that health education within schools is relevant, evidence-based, and responsive to emerging public health concerns affecting children and young people of Fiji. Nosa wale.